So today, let's talk about the dark side of trading. Fear, greed, addiction, and revenge trading. Are you ready? Real talk. One thing na sinasabi sa atin ng mga traders na kailangan nyo para maging successful sa trading, kailangan nyo daw ng disiplina. Which is totoo naman. But honestly, hindi siya madali. Why? Because we are human being. Tao ka. May emosyon ka. At yung candlestick na nakikita mo sa chart mo is actually the footprint of million traders, funds, institutions reacting to the same emotions. Now, if you understand that the market is a collective psychology playground, you will be more aware that trading is not just about discipline. It is about the collective emotions reflecting on your chart. Kasi pag natatakot ka, you're not alone. There are thousands of traders who are actually cutting their losses as well. When you feel greedy, others are also chasing their moves. The chart is a battlefield of human emotions disguised in price action. Once you are already aware of this, you will understand that you're not the only one who's looking at the chart. This is one thing that I always teach to my students. Think of it na parang merong zoo sa isip mo. May mga animals. So, merong 6 na animals na sabay-sabay nagka-trade once they're looking at the chart. The first animal is the owl. Yung owl, siya yung nandito sa frontal lobe, sa harap, sa bumbunan natin. The role of the owl is more on the logic and analysis side. So, kumbaga, siya yung nagsasabi na, okay, check the trend, wait for the confirmation, you have to risk only 1%. Kumbaga, yung owl is a trader that you want to lead. However, you need to understand that the owl is not alone. Meron siyang ibang kasama sa zoo. The second animal is the rabbit. Yung rabbit, siya yung amygdala. So, kumbaga, siya yung nandito naman sa back end ng brain natin. So, kumbaga, siya yung limbic system. Ang role ng rabbit nito is makasurvive. Laging on the run yan. Pag nakakita yan ng danger, tatakbo agad yan na mabilis. Kasi ang kasabihin niyang rabbit sa utak mo, mag-exit ka na ngayon. Don't risk it. Paano kung matalo ka na naman? Paano kung masunog ka? Paano kung maubos yung kapital mo? The rabbit wants to keep you safe. The thing is, the rabbit can also block opportunities. Kasi that's the time na tayo nag-early exit na tayo. Or sometimes nagka-cut loss na tayo kahit hindi pa naman sana. Another animal na nasa utak natin is the monkey. The monkey is your reward center. Kumbaga, siya yung animal sa brain mo na gusto niya talaga ng thrill, dopamine. Gusto niya ng adventure. Thrill-seeking siya eh. Kumbaga, siya yung greed mo. Siya yung nagsasabi sa'yo, isa pang trade. Taasan mo yung lot size mo. Kaya mo yan. You can make more. Yung $100 mo, 1 million na yan bukas. Yung monkey yan. Because the monkey loves getting dopamine from the winnings. However, ini-ignore niya lang yung mga risk. The fourth animal is the parrot. Yung parrot mo naman is your addiction. Siya yung habit. The parrot wants noise. He wants repetition. Ayaw niya naboboard siya. Sasabihin lagi sa'yo ng parrot sa utak mo, mag-trade ka ngayon. Mag-trade ka ulit at mag-trade ka ulit. Mag-trade ka ng paulit-ulit hanggang sa wag ka na matulog. Hanggang nakatunga ka na lang sa chart mo, inaabangan lahat ng mga opportunities. Because the parrot just wants to keep repeating the action without logic. Gusto nila maging busy. Bored siya. Yun yung parrot sa utak mo. The fifth animal in your head is the bull. It's your ego. The bull is your self-identity. Siya kumbaga yung pride mo. Siya yung palawan. Because the bull would say, bawiin mo. Pakita mo sa market, you're stronger. Double your lot. Hindi pwedeng 0.01 lot lang. Kailangan 2 lots para bawi agad. That's the bull. The bull in your head will lead you to revenge trading. Susunugin ka lang niya. But the thing is, andyan siya sa utak mo eh. Kasama mo. And lastly, your sixth animal is the lion. Your lion is your prefrontal cortex. Kumbaga, siya yung disiplina mo. Ang role ng lion is to lead and control. At sinasabi naman yun sa utak mo, okay, stay patient, follow your plan, because I'm the king of this jungle. When the lion rules, you trade like a professional. Now that you understand na merong 6 na animal dyan sa utak mo, now you're more aware that in trading, it's not just about discipline. It is about being aware how to control the animals in your head. Because every trader has their own respective zoo in their heads. And lahat ng animals na yun, may kanya-kanya silang role. The owl will calculate, the rabbit will warn you, the monkey will chase, the parrot repeats, the bull fights, and the lion leads. And the goal of trading psychology is not to kill the animals, but to tame them. And you have to make sure that the lion, which is your discipline, and the owl, which is your analysis, are the ones steering your trades. I hope meron kayo natutunan today. And that's for our daily vlog number 32. See you all tomorrow. God bless and good luck to your trades. Don't forget to join our Telegram community. And if you want to finally start your trading journey, please visit legendarytradingacademy.com. We have face-to-face and online classes. I'm excited to be part of your trading journey. See ya!